Welcome. My name is Thomas Ledford, aka Taxman 88, and I'm here to share in this video tax preparation course that you need to be able to learn, comprehend, and understand. That's going to give you the knowledge and skills to be able to go out and prepare individual income taxes for your clients in your newly found income tax business. So my coaching program is designed to help take all the guesswork out of getting started. It's designed to help you fast track your success to making life-changing income that's going to allow you to either quit your pre-existing job or be able to add extra income to the job you already have and hopefully give you a better lifestyle where you can take vacations on a regular basis, stop living hand to mouth, far as bills, and being able to just live the type of life you want to live on your terms is the big picture goal for us all. And so in this coaching program is 18-month membership access. So for 18 months, I work with you, and after 18 months, you decide if you want to keep me on your team or you're going to go solo. After 18 months, whatever your decision is going to be, we take the next steps to take you to a whole nother level from that based on the 18 months you've put in working with me is the goal. So in this video here, I'm assisting my clients with the tax preparation course portion. I'm using a third-party vendor, which is Surgeon, the Income Tax School. The information that they give you, the only problem is when you're brand new, you really don't know. You're reading and you're reading and you're reading, and then they give you these questions and these quizzes and all these different things. And so the key to learning is being able to read what you're learning and then be able to pull out the answer uh, when it gets to a question. So when you read chapter one and it gives you certain information and certain objectives, then they ask you a question about it. You got to be able to go back and understand what you've already read prior to the question they asked you to be able to answer it correctly. And so that's the challenge we face with learning income tax preparation skills and gaining the knowledge to go with it. And then the software training uh, is a whole nother challenge to go along with that. So those are the two aspects that I cover for people in general, especially new people who want to start their own tax service. So those are things we're working on in fourth quarter is the tax preparation skill and knowledge as well as the software aspect of it. So for the people who are part of my coaching program who's taking the tax preparation course, I will send you over a demo link so you can at least have a demo link to the software that you will be using as part of my reseller program. I'm a reseller costly software, and so I'm giving people who are part of my coaching program 2 years free under the package that I've put together for this year, along with the free tax course. And so when it's all said and done, part one covers the income tax return, which is filing status, filing information, dependents, tax withholdings, and estimated tax. So that's what part one covers out of this publication 17 that we're looking at. Part two covers income and adjustments income, wages, salary, and other earnings, interest income, Social Security and equivalent railroad, retirement benefits, and other income, retirement arrangements, IRAs, and so that's what's covered in part two. Part three, standard deduction, itemized deduction, and other deductions covered in part three. And part four, figuring your taxes, refundable and non-refundable credits. And then the tax table that we use to come up with the taxable amount of your income. And so these are the four parts that's covered in the basic income tax comprehensive course that I'm using through per third-party vendor. The steps, the path is universal. It might be worded and set up totally different. Uh, Reading this publication versus being inside the course, but the concept is the same. We want to be able to read, understand what we read, be able to comprehend what we read, and be able to apply it to our clients. And so, as new tax preparers logging into your account and reading chapter one, you got to read, take notes, highlight, do whatever you have to do based on your learning style, and then be able to answer the questions they give you, understand the questions they give you, because the key is if you don't understand the questions they give you, don't understand the information you're reading, then it might be a clue that this business model, this career industry is not for you. So I'm hoping, despite the early challenges of getting started, that we can persevere through that and be successful with our own income tax business. So in other upcoming videos, we're going to cover parts 1 through 4, which will cover the whole publication 17, which will cover the whole basic income tax course in itself. And so I'll be doing videos to hopefully make it more simpler for you to understand the information if you're having issues with understanding the information at all. If you don't have any issues with it, that's good. But if you do, I'm here to assist you. We have live weekly trainings to go over each chapters that's inside the comprehensive basic income tax course that I'm using. And so when it's all said and done, I like to work with you. I like to help you to fast track your success. I like to make sure you have a profitable, sustainable tax preparation business set up and ready to go by the time we finish working together over these 18 months. And I'll definitely see you in my next video.